Okay, with this problem, you would need to, first of all, go through your order of operations. So we want to work inside the parentheses first and perform that subtraction. So 7/5 minus 1/5 would be 6/5. After you work inside the parentheses as much as possible, the next step in your order of operations would be to simplify any exponents. So now I have 6/5 raised to the second power. So I'm going to square each one of those. 6 squared is 36, and 5 squared is 25. Still using the order of operations, after you simplify the exponents, you look for multiplication or division, and we have multiplication in between that second set of fractions there. So I will multiply those two fractions. A positive times a negative makes negative. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. After multiplying, we need to add these two fractions. Now remember, in order to add fractions, you must have a common denominator. So the first common multiple for 25 and 15, if I look at the multiples, 15 won't go into 25. Next multiple is 50, won't go into 50. The next multiple is 75. 15 will go into 75 5 times. So the least common multiple for 25 and 15 is 75. So I'm going to rewrite my fractions with a denominator of 75. 75 divided by 25 is 3, so I multiplied by 3. You have to multiply both of those numbers in the fraction by 3 to keep that fraction equivalent. And that becomes 108 over 75. My second fraction here, 75 divided by 15, is 5. So I had to multiply both of those numbers by 5 to keep that fraction equivalent, and that becomes negative 10 over 75. Now, 108 plus negative 10 over 75, I have a positive and a negative number, so I will end up subtracting or finding the difference of those numbers to be 98 over 75. And this fraction cannot be simplified. Nothing. They don't have any common factors. So that would be my final answer. So to work a problem like this one, you need to make sure that you're using your order of operations. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Thanks.